Hello everyone! Today I will teach you how to be strong in CSS. The important rule. The important rule overrides something. It says that something is more important than another thing. So let's get right into it. First, you can see a very hard thing to see. 3 red when we have red, grey and blue. Let's check it. First, the paragraph. We have a paragraph without any ID, class, anything. Then we have a paragraph with the class, my class, that's grey. And we have a paragraph with the ID, my ID, and it's blue. Why is it everything red? Because we have a paragraph, the element P, changing to red, and we're saying that it is important. If we remove the important, everything will become as it should be. If we have an ID, the ID is more important than a single element. If we have a class, the class is more important than the simple element. But with the important, every P becomes important in red. Now, blue and grey went to the gym as well. Everyone is important now. Everything. It's how it should be. It's not overriding anything, right? Now, let's pick this one as an example. We have a button with the background color of grey, text white, padding 5 pixels, border. We have a small border. We didn't even remove text decoration. Let me do it. Text decoration. No. Okay, here you go. First, what do we want? We want to simply have buttons, equal buttons, in CSS, in the whole page. But then someone just came here and made this ID my div, right? With the color of the text red and the background color yellow. And look at what he made, my code. Everything inside that div that has an anchor will just be broke, right? How can I make sure that it doesn't happen anymore? I came here with my bros, right? I just go to the gym and we put everything important. Everything in the button will become important. So if you have the button, it will be important. That's my div, that person that put my div ID here just to change the anchors will not be able to change my buttons anymore. Now finally, I know that you are a very busy man, but click in this video, right? This video, very good. You will understand a little bit better the stuff, right? So thank you guys, hope you guys enjoyed and see you soon.